welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk of PAWS allocation. PAWS has distributed its allocation to all miners, so we are going to look at how to check the allocation and see what we have. If you have not checked your allocation, watch this video and follow the steps to check the allocation. So when you open, we are using Phantom wallet to check the allocation because PAWS is no longer on Telegram. So when you open your Phantom wallet, make sure it is the wallet you use in connecting your PAWS app or PAWS community when it was when we were asked to do so. So when you open your Phantom wallet, click on this place, tap on it to go to the search bar. Now on the search bar, type this site, PAWS.community/app and click go button. Then it will open the site for you. This is it. Okay, good. Now the site is open. Click this three bar button. Then click claim. Let's go to the claim button. Eligibility check, which has been done before now. Now once you have gotten to this place, click next. This is the total PAWS I have. Click no referral. It will give you all the details of the information on your app, all the activities you have performed. Now click next again. Oh my god, this is what I have, 201.5. So if you have not done this, or you have not been able to see your own allocation, watch this video and follow the step in it. You will get it right. It is easy to get to this point. Just follow the step I showed you in the video. So if this is the first time of coming across my channels, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive notification whenever I make a new video. Also like and share this video for others to watch and do the locate their PAWS allocation. With the distribution of the allocation, I believe PAWS will be listing very soon. So let's hope that they list with a good amount. So this is it. Watch my playlist and you will see other videos that you like, and do the tasks or follow the step in the videos to perform other tasks in case you are looking for videos to do other tasks on PAWS. So thank you for watching.